26. Management. Which of the following is an appropriate description concerning the methods of estimating the workload, that is, the person hours, for system development? A. Since the skills of the development staff vary, the scale of the programs developed in the past is referenced for estimate, but the person hours are not referenced. B. The estimate of person hours is useful for the progress management of an activity, but is not related to the quality management of software. C. When the person hours are estimated based on the FP, or the function point method, the number of program steps need to be determined. Or option D, the collection of a company's own productivity data is indispensable for using COCOMO. First of all, we'll talk about what is COCOMO. Constructive Cost Model, or COCOMO, is a method proposed by Bohm in 1981 for estimating the person hours and time period from other factors that represent the development scale and development characteristics. The adjustment coefficient, or effort coefficient, is assigned depending on influencing factors such as the scope and complexity, computer constraints, employee conditions, and conditions for tools used. When COCOMO is to be applied to an actual company, the coefficients must be selected based on past experience and performance data of a company, and collection of productivity data is indispensable. Therefore, D is the appropriate answer to the question. We'll now also look at the explanations for each of the other options. Option A, the skills of the development staff vary, so it's important to evaluate skill level, which further necessitates the collection of an actual person-hour data. Past data should be considered as an important reference. B. The accuracy of the estimated person hours varies greatly depending on the implementation quality of software. When the actual number of person hours is different from the estimated value or the planned value, in most cases this implies that there are various problems concerning quality management for which identification in the planning stage was not possible, and therefore the description not related to quality management does not hold true. The function point method does not use the number of program steps as an indicator of the scale, but instead estimates the person hours based on the functions seen from the user side. So then we see that in response to the question, which of the following is an appropriate description concerning methods of estimating the workload for system development, the correct answer here is D. The collection of a company's own productivity data is indispensable for using COCOMO.